on Facebook and I saw the word manifest. I said, well, I ain't gonna have it. I'm gonna go look for it myself.
Go listen to that.
All right, Becky, how you doing? Go ahead and mute out there. And Rose, go ahead and mute out.
Sorry.
And so what happened, I went on there and read it, and I said, and I looked at it, I said, and I said, wait a minute, this can't be this way. So I called Terence, and Terence kind of gave me a background on it. I said, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So right now, without any further ado, I'm going to introduce you to my team leader, Terence Gibson. He's been in this program. He's doing it. He's doing it. And so, Terence, go right ahead, man. I'm going to shut up.
All right. Thank you, Pastor Thomas. Hello to everybody. Thank you for joining us on this call. And I'm not going to waste your time. We're just going to jump straight into it. Go ahead and share my screen. And we're just going to go ahead and get busy. Can y'all see my screen, paidtolive.com? You can see it, Pastor Thomas?
Yep, we can see it.
Gotcha. All right. Paidtolive.com. I'm just going to start in the beginning from what they would see first all the way to what they would see last. So paidtolive.com, if you choose to get this as a software, this is your recruitment invitement software, and it's awesome. I mean, it's awesome. It has everything you need, all the bells and whistles that you would need to recruit anybody, to stay in touch with your people. And you know, y'all been in the MLM before, even though we don't represent MLM, it's pretty much the same or a top or better software, and we get it for a very cheaper price than you normally would pay for this software with all the stuff that goes on it. And after I finish going on the software, I want you to try to kind of guess how much it costs, and I'm going to blow your mind when I tell you how much you actually spend on it. So it has everything that you need to recruit. And I'm doing like a shotgun presentation because I know a lot of y'all seen MLM before or any type of business. So we're just going to get through these parts real fast because, you know, it's a recruitment tool, but it's awesome. So if you choose to get it, you use it. If you don't choose to get it, you don't have to get it. It's totally up to you. So you got the mobile, social, web, email, text message, the CRM. You can customize it. Market globally, get notified, of course, because we're in the forex business. It's global. Share quick and easy, auto text messages. So not only does it alert you on your email, alert you on your phone, or you can alert them on their phone. You have everything you need within one back office. Build fast prospects, pop lines, quickly send personal trading links, get real-time leads and activity leads, alerts, follow-up reminders and action dashboard, results-driven success tracker, get push notification. So it has everything. So when you use it on your phone, it's very easy to use on your phone. So either you can use it on your phone when you're away from your computer, or use it on your computer when you're at home, or if you have a laptop on the go. However you do what you do, you can do it with everything that we have. You get many turnkey marketing funnels, so you get different screens so everybody don't look the same, because that's the worst thing in any type of business is for everybody to look the same. So you got to have something different. You have to have something different. So you can pick this one, somebody pick that one, somebody pick this one, or you switch them up every once in a while, whatever you choose to do. It's best to have something different, because once everybody see it, if they didn't like the way the last person represented it, they're not going to like you just right off the bat. You get a complete system. Everything that you get right here is done for you: marketing funnels, multiple lead capture pages, email, text, voice platform, pre-written autoresponders and messages, easily share all links everywhere. And that's where you get started today. And this can be found in your back office. I just brought it up to the front on this video so that you can see it and know what the marketing system is. And you can see all the different things that the marketing system has. It has an ad co-op system that's coming together where, you know, you put money together and you get leads, and then the rotator goes around and it gives the lead to whoever's link is up front. So pretty much same system. Create your own lead pages, create your own follow-ups. It's awesome. Very, 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 very awesome. And like I said, this is not a have to get. This is if you want to get it. You don't have to get it. And I'm going to bring my Telegram page. Can y'all see my Telegram page?
Yes.
Okay, I'm bringing the pictures up. So this is what you get with the starter package. You get the default funnels and pages, default autoresponders, contact manager, ad tracking, split testing, and the mobile app. All these come with the paid to live starter package. How much you think that this would cost a month if you brought this? Anybody can say anything.
$35.
Well, yo, you close. $29.99. $29.99 a month for the starter package. And here is the more advanced package. So you got the Facebook Messenger integration, Facebook response bot, pro marketing pages, create your own lead pages, and you can see everything that's on here. Because this is just a small part, and I'm not going to waste too much time on this. So you know what it is. It's a recruitment tool, so you can stay in touch with the people that you invite without you having to always make the phone calls. It's going to send them emails, it's going to send them texts, it's going to send them everything you need to stay in touch with them until they pretty much join you. Because really with ManifestFX, you really don't have prospected to anybody. It's something that everybody needs, and I'm not just saying it because I'm in it. I'm saying it because that's the truth. That's the God's honest truth. Somebody needs to mute them. Let's see.
Jared Butler, for Unveiling University.
All right, I muted him. All right, let me get that off my page. All right, ManifestFX. This is the main website. We have a beautiful website. So if you choose not to use the system and just use your warm list, when you get to the cold list, that's when you probably have to kick in with the paid to live system. But while you have your warm list and the people that know you, you can just send them straight to your link. And at the top, you can see our March Madness sales that are going on till the 31st. So Platinum Elite, this is the bot that everybody's talking about, that they tested all last year, did 38% for the whole year, 38% average throughout the whole year. So just think about if you put your money in the beginning of the year and it did 38% every month, all the way to the end of the year. And I have a spreadsheet that I'm gonna show you what that does. That's why I want to kind of speed through this stuff, because the more important thing is you want to know is what your money going to do, and that's the thing I care about myself. So 99% Platinum Elite, that's the platinum bot, that's the lowest bot at the point, but it still was the strongest bot. In January, it did 70%, and you obviously for what you call it income disclaimer, yesterday's profits don't mean you're gonna make it tomorrow. And $199 is the royalty. This is where you get 3 bots, but these 3 bots come with a performance fee. So you got to pay 25% performance fee monthly, and they take it out on the 28th. But the bots perform so well, you'll notice it, but you won't notice it. And then $299 for a year is the CEO Club. The monthlies have been taken up at this point, and they're at the regular price, but you can get a sale for $3,000 for the CEO Club. But if you pay monthly, you're going to pay $6,000 in a year. So it's better just to pay half if you choose to go that route. And you'll see in a minute why, if you do want to get in here, your mindset should definitely be on here. And you'll see, because there's no performance fee over here. It's a performance fee over here. You make a killing over here, but you like Hiroshima and Nagasaki over here. So, you know, this is like, you know, making a killing is a pea shooter, but over here you dropping bombs. So it's just for you to figure out where you want to get at and where you want to go. Because the performance fee is not much, but you can see in the long run how if you did all you could do and go all in, that you'll be in a better state financing. So for you got your education. So we have, the first thing we have on here is the Academy. You can come on your own website and go through all the education on your own and learn how to trade, if that's what you choose to do. All you want to do is learn how to trade. You can come on here. You can go through all your stuff, take Pastor Thomas's classes, and then you can log into the classes on Telegram with Al Edwards. Al Edwards is a 7-figure trader working on his 8 figures, and we call him Yoda. That tells you how good of a trader he is. We didn't make the name up. This was his name that he brought with him. So if somebody calls you Yoda, that means you like the top Jedi. So he's an awesome trainer, and he's very trader, and he's also very conservative. So he's not going to take a trade that looked halfway. He's only going to take trades he know he can win. So that just tell you what a conservative trader is. These are the different things you can go through. You can come up with analysis. And I'm going to hold it here just for a second so you can see everything. You got my account. I'm going to go into that. Actually, I can go into that. You got your profile. I'm a CEO member, so I have the CEO DTA form. Depending on what level you are, you'll have your DTA form for whatever level you're on. You got your orders back here, got your affiliate area. I'll let you see what that looks like real quick. So pretty much break down your whole back office. So you got your affiliate URL that pops up when you first come in, and that's what you just get to people, your URL. Then you got your statistics to let you know like how many times somebody's seen your page, how many people signed up. Got the graphs to go with the statistics. It got your referrals, and then on your referrals, I'll show you a quick. So it got your referrals, and it shows you, and I'm just showing you real quick because I don't want to show everybody's name, but it shows you how much you actually get paid when you got your referrals. And then you got your payouts, you got your visits, you got your creatives, you got your settings. This is in here inside of settings is where you're going to fill out your bank information. And of course, most of it's blocked out, so I don't mind showing you. It shows you what your blank, so this is my bank account, and this is where my money goes to every month for my referral fee. Now, the money you get back from your bots, that comes in cryptocurrency or Zelle. And you can either have, Zelle to your bank account or cryptocurrency to, if you got a Coinbase or if you just use Cash App, which is the smartest thing to do, because you go straight from your bank to Cash App, from Cash App to LCMFX, and from LCMFX back to Cash App, and back to your bank. I mean, the less times you move crypto, the less money you're going to spend. And that's always the truth. And then you got your sub affiliates, and it shows up like all your sub affiliates and how many you ever have. And then it's got you a long line of all your people. And I'm just gonna go through and get out of that real fast too. So let's see anything back here. And then if you click on student area for the second time, everything I showed you in these boxes is just right out here laid out. So whatever way you like looking at it and looking for it, you can go back and complete this stuff. And you can see I haven't completed anything because I've just been building. At first I wanted to learn how to trade real fast. But when I got the auto bot and it traded for me, I kind of put me learning how to trade on the back burner and start teaching more people how to get set free. Because passive income is that income that we weren't taught about back in school growing up, because we didn't pay $12,000 a month to go to school, or we just lived in the wrong zip code where your money works for you and you don't work for your money. So that's where passive income comes in with the auto trader. That comes with the auto trader. So this is your back office. And then at the bottom, like when you introduce somebody, you definitely come down to the bottom and you see the different packages they have available. So this package right here is null and void. So it's not even available anymore. And all mines at the bottom say not available because I'm in my back office. So I would have to log out and go back to my link, and then it'll show them all open. So this is not available anymore. This bot is going to turn into the free bot, where you'll pay 70%. Well, you got to put 500 in. The company's going to get 70% and you're going to get 30%. It's like a tease taster to see how good the bots work. But it's better you're not paying much or nothing to get in. And these are the prices right now. So monthly right now for CEO is not available. But when it does come available, they have it on sale for $4.99 a month. And you can see $4.99 times 12 is $6,000. So you pay the $2,999, you're getting half off for the whole year. And then I'll go here and show you the yearly prices. That's the yearly prices. So you can pay for all these a year and you don't have to worry about what goes on. And these are the prices that are going to change on April 1st. So this is going to go back to $149. This is going to go back to $279. And this one is going to probably just stay at $4.99. They've been giving a good deal on it, because if they sell it for the right retail price, it's going to be $6.99. So everybody that's military, if you come in on you military and you know that you're getting half off, you're not going to get half off at these prices. You're going to get half off the retail prices. That's what you get as being military. So military, you're going to get this $2.99 no matter whenever you want it, you can get it. So you'll get a discount here because that's the retail price. You'll get a discount here because that's the retail price. You'll get a discount here because that's the retail price. But when it comes to CEO, it's already right now, and they're giving it to you for the 50% off. So it's best, if you want to get it now, you're military, whatever. But I'm thinking it's best to get it now because the bots are about to start working again sometime this week. And once they start running, that's when they're going to start just killing it. Because the bot was allowed to run for 30 days straight in January. That's why we end up making 70%. And once again, an income disclaimer on that also. What you made yesterday don't mean you're going to make it tomorrow. And that's the different packages you can come in when you come into Manifest. You got LCMFX is our broker. And this is our nice little website. This is actually the outside of the website. And it's an awesome, this is $1 million broker. So this is it's an A broker. It's not a B broker like ManifestFX and Trader's Way, Hugo's Way, and all those other different brokers that trade against you. This one doesn't trade against you. They work with you. So here we can build our accounts to the moon. With LQDFX, the one we had to leave, we would have to keep moving every time we had a certain amount of money, because we hit $3 million real fast as a collective, as a group, as a team. And we had to move. We had to keep moving bots and turning the bots off and moving accounts. So now here we don't have to do that ever again. So you can just grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. And the back office, I'll show y'all real quick, give you a quick glimpse of my back office. So pretty much you got your support, people ask questions, your help desk. They're very fast to get back with you. I say within 2 hours, you got your answer. Somebody's going to say something about something, profile. You got your deposits. Where you come in, when you first come in, Mt4 accounts, your Mt4 account will look a little different than this when you first come in, because you got to create your wallet. And when I first came in, you had to create your wallet and then go create your trading account. But now they make your wallet and your trading account at the same time. They made it easier for us. So they're working with us. Like I said, this is $1 million broker that works with us. So only things that you're going to have when you first start, you're not going to have this, because you got to create this under deposits, under make a deposit. And when you click on make a deposit, matter of fact, I'll just do that real fast. Because I'm gonna send you the video that I did, that walkthrough, but it's easier for you to see it. And you'll pick either wire or crypto. So if you want to send Bitcoin, you send Bitcoin. You want to send wire, you send wire. Now you can send Litecoin or Ethereum. Say it again. Oh, you can send Litecoin or Ethereum, but Ethereum and Litecoin, you got to send some type of message straight to them. I wouldn't even mess with it. It takes a little longer, even though Litecoin is faster. But you got to send a message to them. It's just too much going on. I would rather just go ahead and send Bitcoin or do a wire. I did a wire twice, and it was like within 2 hours, my money was already in the back office. And I did a wire, and I did it through, my bank. So it's up to you, whatever way you want to do it. And then the more money you're going to put in, it's best to do a wire. That's your cheapest route. Because if you're buying cryptocurrency, you're going to be paying for the cryptocurrency. And then pretty much what we do when we come back over here, this is how you check your profits and your daily totals for the day. Every time when the bot is trading. And then you can see the bot takes a lot of trades. And this is just us being in here, I think about 2 weeks being on this broker, and look how many pages. So the bot takes a lot of trades a day. That's why I stay so profitable. And look at the percentages that it takes. So it takes a lot of small penny to less than a penny trades, and then at the end of the day, it tallies up to be something greater. That's why it's hard for it. That's why this bot has never blown an account or had a negative day, because it's controlled. It's controlled. I mean, it's the safest thing you can have. Look at these. None of them. Now you might get some $2 or $3 or $4 or $5, but they're always in the plus, because the bot just took a big trade and it actually, cashed out and paid you. But this is all the things that you get when you join ManifestFX. So of course, LCMFX and ManifestFX are not the same company. It just, this is our $1 million broker. This is the big boy broker, and this is the broker that we're blessed to have, LCMFX. Let me see what else I want to show you real quick. Went here, went there, went there. All right, went through everything. Now let's show you the money. That's the part I like the most. I'll roll up my spreadsheet. Can y'all see my spreadsheet?
Yep, we can see
Okay,
it.
perfect. All right, and y'all can see down at the bottom that 8 million. Can you see that clearly? Because I don't want to go too far up. I try to make it as small as possible, but I don't want to. You got eyes like mine. I don't want to mess you up. So pretty much when you come here, this is the spreadsheet. Everybody gets that joint. So these are the 3 things that you play with when you're trying to see the bot. Now, obviously, you can see how much money you would make if you had people on your team, of course, over here. But the most important thing that people really care about is how much money they're going to make when they invest. And this is the difference between CEO and everything else. CEO and everything else. So for CEO, you have no performance fee. So the one I start off with the most is something very small. Always start off $500 in your account, 40%. The bot did 70 in January. It did 38 all last year. It didn't do 70% at all. So I just go to 40%. 40%, even though you can't, use yesterday's profits, but I've seen it work. Because even while we moved and the bot been on and off, we're already like at 30-something%. So if it does 30-something% and it been on and off right now while we've been moving brokers and having little technical difficulties as we moving the bots and stuff around, but this is in the beginning, so it's cool. And we ain't losing anything. And you still at 30%? I mean, you can't, I don't know how you lose in a company like this. So if you look at the numbers, that's 500, 40%. This is CEO because I don't have no performance fee. So at the end of 2 years, and it depends on how you want to compound your money, because compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Residual income is the 9th wonder, and we have both. So if you look at January, just look at 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 12, because you might not start in January. Of course, you're not starting in January because it's April now. What did it say? 10 minutes. So I got 10 minutes left on this. All right, and I'm gonna speed it up. So so this is January. Think of it as 1 through 12, and this is what you're making if it's just doing 40%. So if it do 70%, obviously one of these numbers is going to be higher than the other one. So if it does 30%, of course, one of them will be lower. But it's going to go back and forth, 30%, 50%, 60%, 70%, and it's going to probably be more than 40 when you average it at the end of the year. And these are the different type of numbers that you're looking at. So if you're looking for an income and you only have $500 to put in a CEO account at November, 11 months in between 11 months and here, you're making $8,000 if it does 40% that next month. So between 20 and 28. So if you had to stop here, you can stop here and just collect everything that it compounds on from that 20,000. And you can have an $8,000 income. If you want a little bit more, you want 11,000. You wait to December and you let it compound. And then you stop at December, never take out the $28,346. Let that stay in, and all you do is pull out what you compound. So if you have CEO, this is what $500 account that you put to the side and you don't think about, and you let it sit for 2 years, you got 1.6 million. And every time, each way to know it is if you go to 1,000, all it's going to do is double. It's just doubling all the way down to the bottom. And then what it's doing, if you have more to put in that front, you can start taking salary from your earnings faster. You can stop at October where you're making 28,000, keep the 28,925 inside the account. Don't touch that. Take everything over. So if it does 40% each time, you got about $12,000 you can take out and live off every month. So it depends on you what you want to do. But if you want to leave it in for the long haul, you got 3.2 million in 2 years. So that's why I love this spreadsheet, because it lets you be the boss of your own destiny. Because these numbers are going to add up. These numbers is between 20 and 50%. That's what we preach. But the bot did 70% in January. And I know when this bot gets going and we stop and we get rolling this week and they don't have to turn it off, it's going to be great. Now, it does have to go with the market. And it wasn't nothing real special in January that's not happening now. Because at the end of this week, we got OPEC on Thursday. We have NFP, the farmers, on Friday. And that's going to make Euro USD go up and down like crazy. So we're going to catch money on a roller coaster as it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's an awesome business to be part of. And I'm kind of speeding it up at the end now because I have not too much time left. So now if you don't come in as CEO and you come in at royalty or platinum, these are the numbers that you'll have. You'll still have $542,000. So you're not losing much of nothing. So this is, I'm gonna look at a certain number. December, you got $23,298 with the 25% performance fee. So we got 23,000. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna take it off. And in December, you have 56. So it pretty much doubles. So without the performance fee, it's kind of weird how it's only 25%. But in the long run, when it's calculating, it takes a little bit more away. So you're still making good money, so that you're never going to be hurt no matter what you do. It's just your end game should be CEO. And that's the thing you should work to for no matter what you do, is CEO, so that you can get that zero performance fee. Because you're going to make a killing, like I said. Who can put $1,000 in any account and let it sit for a year and it turns to $23,000? What bank can do that? How you gonna do it? Where, I mean, where can you invest in? Nothing. Mutual funds, bonds, nothing. Nothing's going to get you here in 12 months. Matter of fact, it ain't nothing you can put in for 30 days and get another $300. What you gonna invest it in? You gotta be like a loan shark or something like that. There's no way it's gonna work. So you're making money all through. Remember, I'm still on the royalty and platinum payment with the 25%. So if you come in as CEO, for those that's coming in as CEO, you'd have made $400 off that 1,000, and then it just keeps compounding off of that, and it just keeps growing. So if you want 56,000 in 12 months, you have to come in as CEO, or you have to change what you put in the beginning. Because you can spend less money in the beginning and put more money on this side and say put that 4,000 in over here, and you came in late at a lower package and you at 93,000. So you see it grows, it grows, it grows, it grows, no matter what you're doing. And if you got 4,000 to put in your CEO, it's gonna be 226,000. Because what the number is getting greater, because you know the more money you have in it, when you do a percentage of that money, it just grows and grows and grows and grows and grows and grows. Look at that, $12 million if you can wait 2 years before you touch that $4,000. So think about it. This is like, you can't, if you go to college for 2 years, you're gonna come back in debt. So now you got a chance, and what I say on all my videos, this is real money. So if you got a child, I mean, my thing is we send our children to school for 4 years and they come back just as dumb as they was when they went in the first day. And sometimes they come back in more debt, $200,000 worth of debt. And I know from my own testimony. You go to school all those years and you don't really get anything. You get a $35,000 job with $200,000 worth of debt. Get them an account on a CEO plan, put it in there, make them work for you for 2 years, and then give them their account. Look what you gave them. And you ain't spend nothing to do it. Look, how many people then put $1,000 away for their kid 2 years and it came back $3.2 million? You can't, nobody, you can't do it. This is what the rich do all the time. This is the software that the rich uses. This software is very, very, very expensive. It's very, very, very expensive. And we're blessed to have it. And we're blessed to have it. And I spend more time on the auto trader because that's what most people love about what we do is the auto trader. Because manual trading is awesome also. They do Bitcoin, they do gold. I don't mess with gold. I treat gold like a crackhead. I don't trust it. I think it's gonna steal my money and it moves around too much. I don't trade gold. So we got traders that trade gold that they don't care, they can deal with. Day trading is kind of crazy for me too. So, you know, my heart be all over the place. So this, I don't have to do no but check my earnings at the end of the day, every day around between 6 and 7, and I'm good. And I don't have to mess with it. So that's why I love the auto trader. And then, yes, I'm going to go back and start learning, but there's too many people in the world for me to tell about this. So I don't know when I'm gonna go back and actually go through the academy, which is awesome because I spend too much time telling new people, and which is better because now not only, and one thing I love about this company, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop, is that Manifest is about the only company that I won't make more off of you than you'll make yourself. Most companies, you'll come in and pay thousands of dollars to get in. All the money goes to your upline. You waiting for a $2 check to come in the mail, 17 months in the making. Here, we don't get that much off of what you come in, but everything that you put in is mostly yours. It's your own money, it's your own broker account. You're in charge of your account, that's your money. Manifest is not in charge of your money that's connected to the bot. Now, you only can take your money out from the 1st to the 4th every month, but it's still your money. You can't just go in there and take money out. It's not set up like that. It's your broker, your account, your money, so it's safe. It's yours. So you don't have to worry about, you know, putting it into a company and then you put 10,000 in and then the company go away and then you lose your money. The company goes away, which the company is not going to go away. But if it goes away, your money's still in your broker. So you're safe no matter what. And if you've been compounding all these years and you ain't got nothing but profit, if something ever happened down the road, you still win. Now, we have never been in that situation before. We've been in places where they either stole our money, the company act like it went out of business, but they ran off. All these little crypto and ICOs and all the stuff you try to keep up with, they run off with your money. It's time for us to really make some real money and learn a skill that does more than pay the bills. Because you remember, forex is connected to Wall Street, which is connected to a time frame that's been back when Rockefeller and Carnegie was fighting when they was building America. So it's been before us and it's going to be way after us. And when we had what's his name, Wolf of Wall Street on, he said the most highest paid, most overpaid occupation is forex. It's forex. Anybody in the stock market, they're making way too much money than they should be making. Because we're making a killing. I got a bot working for me and it's making me money and I'm not doing anything. Not doing nothing at all. And it's at the 1 minute mark. So it's about to shut off real soon. But I just want to tell y'all, and you got any questions, write them down, get them to Pastor Thomas, and we can do a question and answer Zoom. Because this is my free account. I didn't actually make a paid account because I haven't actually did Zooms. Like I usually just use Zooms for my own videos. But anything that you need